Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to turn on or turn off Smart Invert on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Okay, from here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. In here, you could choose to use double tap or triple tap, and I'm going to select double tap. After that, scroll down and go down to the Accessibility section and tap on Smart Invert. After that, we swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now you can see here, if I double tap on the back of the phone, it will turn on Smart Invert. And if I double tap on it again, look like there's some bug with the Smart Invert. Sometimes we may need to restart the iPhone if there is an issue like that. But you can see if I double tap, the screen flashes. So let me just turn off the screen and switch back the screen, see if that fixes the problem. So that still is not fixing the issue, but that is how you can assign Smart Invert to back tap, double tap, or triple tap. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.